Hey everyone, today's topic for discussion is 1,000 product listing and variations. Keep in mind options that are standard are compulsory, others are optional. Open your Seller Central, then click on Menus, then click on Catalog, then click on Add Products, then click on Create a New Listing. A new dashboard will open, and from here your product listing process will begin. Then enter your product name. Then select your product category. You can also check your product category from product page if you are doubtful. Then click on this product has variations under variation option, but only if the product category you choose allows variations. Then select size, color, etc. according to your product under variation option. Then click on next, then write SEO description in description section and SEO bullet points in bullet section. Then upload your product images in images section. If you have variations, then your first image of product should be that image which is your primary product image. Then move on to product details section. Enter all the relevant SEO keywords in search terms option. Next move to MPN.manufacturer part number option. MPN is like a parent SKU. Rest of all combination will lay under it. To create MPN, for example, your brand name is Amazon Learning and your product is polo shirts and listing. Year is 2024 now. In this scenario, you can create it as ALPS 2024, then select your style name, then select gender, then select fitting type, then select number of items, then select fabric type, then select product care instruction, then select slash type, then select material type. Next, move on to the variations section in the size option. Add sizes such as medium, small, LXL in the color option. Add colors such as black, white, blue, red. Once you have selected your sizes and colors, you'll see some options will automatically fill after your size and color selection. Now wisely fill the remaining options that you have to fulfill, such as color map, which maps your color names to accepted color names on Amazon. Then select your targeted gender. Then select age range description. Then select size value. Then generate seller SKU. Start keeping unit. Let's generate, for example, ALPBXL01. Then next carefully add images. Then select condition. Then set price, then quantity. I am going to discuss only the main points from the offer section because I already made a detailed video on offers. Then move to the offer section on seller SKU. You have to give a primary SKU, then select product tax code. If you are selling polo shirts, then select ACLTH Jan. This code signifies general clothing. Assigning a product tax code on Amazon US might not directly affect the sales tax calculation for most sellers. Amazon currently handles that process itself. Then enter live price. Here, enter your selling price. Then enter max order quantity. Then enter HS code for polo shirts. The code is 610599090. Then move to the safety and compliance section. Fill in options that are star because they are compulsory, such as contact information. Then click on submit within 24 hours. Your listing will be activated. If you find it informative, then share it with others.